Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. 1 year ago around, I recorded a video about a part of Arzignano. Well, today I am in another street of this small town and I want to show it to you because I'm finding out that it's very particular and cute. Okay, don't forget to like, to share and subscribe and to hit the bell to support me and my channel. Let's go.